iPhone's volume just isn't loud enough? Try these settings to boost volume. First, Headphone Boost. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down just a little, and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, look for Audio and Visual and tap on it. Now tap on Headphone Accommodations at the top, and turn this option on. Once enabled, you'll see a few options below. Under Audio Tuning section, switch it from Balanced Tone to Vocal Range. Then drag the strength slider all the way to Strong. Second, remove Volume Limit. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down slightly, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the bottom, and select Volume Limit. If your max volume is capped at something like 60% or 80%, that's holding your audio back. Simply increase it to 90%. Alternatively, you can turn the maximum volume limit off completely. And that's it.